We are the flow, we are the ebb, we are the believers, we are the winners. For the one who sees farthest is the one who flies highest. On a delightful adventure of freedom and flight, we at BBK DAV College for Women, Amritsar, know that the purpose of living and learning is to seek perfection and show it in our efforts and endeavors. But who can dare to reach out without the grace of the perennial flame of life, the Lord of cosmic light, and of course, the guiding spirit of our benign patriarchs? Picture this. Each day, one door opens to unfold myriad other possibilities. For we know how to innovate and show that innovations work, and we have pioneered many new strategies in mainstream and vocational education. The award of A+ grade by NAAC, CPE status by UGC, and Model College for Vocational Education by NUEPA all speak volumes about 4 decades of commitment to quality and excellence. Believing in Atmano Moksharth Jagadvidyayam Cha, for the highest freedom of the self and the good of the world, we have enormous and unparalleled honors to our credit. Hosting of World Conference of WCCI, winning of Adult Folk Dance at Wales, UK, and Arjuna Award, participation in Asian, Commonwealth and Olympic Games in 2002, a major chunk of university positions and championships, an astonishing rate of placements, all concretize the claims of this institution. Thus runs the thread of commitment in every building block, and the scientific humanist who is engaged in this weave of progress is a lady who can be best described with a host of verbs: initiate, create, develop, plan, and execute. Rome may not have been built in a day, but Principal Dr. Neelam Kamra wishes to build and evolve projects in days. And nay, it's not one-man army, for a highly competent and professional force is constantly involved in new trends of teaching, learning, and research of the highest order. We have maintained meaningful linkages with key global organizations like WCCI, WEF, Kent County Council, Hextable School, and World Punjabi Congress, Pakistan. Each session is enriched with conclaves, symposia, conferences, and workshops. While September 2008 saw the Art Conclave on Reinventing and Reorienting Art Curriculum and a UGC-sponsored National Seminar on Women and Media, in March 2009, the college hosted National Seminar on Natural Resource. The benefactors of this professionalism receive it in world-class infrastructure. The centers that train their minds, rejuvenate their thought process, and mold their behavior patterns. A potent mix of sense and austere, charm and intrigue, fable and faith, they all aim to impart skills and sensibilities. Whether it is richly stacked Mahatma Hansraj Library, the nerve center of the college, or the Urvi Auditorium that remains abuzz with theatre, music and dance all through the year. Folk art and artifacts in Heritage Center and the suggestive murals all around lend a unique ambience to the campus. And the refreshing workouts in the gymnasium help achieve the goal of holistic education. To inject quality into games and produce players of high caliber, the college provides a well-maintained sporting arena. Equipped with all the modern amenities, the hostel provides secure and nourishing environment. The lens now moves to the Design and Technology Complex with Media House and Aviation Lab on left and right and Seminar Room at the center. Studios, workshops, and labs here train and mold young professionals, fashion and jewelry designers, textile or interior designers, multimedia experts, photographers, journalists, and artists. The Techno Center is surely ahead of the times to support computer, IT, and commerce related streams. The Department of Science with latest biotechnology and bioinformatics labs at the top floor signifies overseeing every activity with a scientific temper. The state-of-the-art language lab surely adds new dimensions to the science of language and the art of communication. Aesthetically designed cosmetology lab is for the add-on course as well as for the grooming sessions for other streams. And for food, friends and thumbs up, for flights of fantasy and for bits and bytes, the cafeteria is in place. Thus, the essence propels efficiency and commitment leads to conquest. The honor of 15 first, 18 second, 21 third and more than 200 merit positions in GNDU results awards a sense of harmony. Faith and fortitude are emboldened when Manveer hits the bullseye and wins medals in Olympic rounds of Asian archery tournament at Myanmar, or when Navjot wrestles out at Vancouver, Canada, or when heights are scaled in NCC. Perseverance and perfection unfold when the play Nati Binodini wins top honors in nationals, or when Laughter Challenge fame Bharti Singh gets Kalpana Chawla Award for Excellence, or Anudeep dances to glory in China. The beauty of belief is visible in outreach programs under NSS or Arya Yukti Sabha when we pledge to promote Vedic and secular values in Vedic Virat Sammelan or Rashtriya Raksha Sammelan, or win state honors in Red Cross. And now, our roots have brought forth the dancing branches in the valley, and we are the flowering of the purpose that rises to the heights. The sparks rise, and each spark is a sun. Better it is for us and wiser to march on and on and on and on and on.